Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your PC name. Mind you, we are changing the PC name, not our Microsoft account name. Now to change this is very easy and simple. Just click on this and go to your settings. If whatsoever reason that you don't have your settings here, just right click on your start button and then you have settings here. So just click on it to open. Right, as it opens my PC settings, now you can see we have here, right, so this is what we are going to be changing. You can see we have here, which is our PC name, and then we have here account name. This name is for the Windows account, Windows name. This name is for Windows and this is for the PC. So but as I said, we are going to be changing the PC name. So just click on rename, and as it gives you the full, you just type in the name. You can see that we have here our current PC name is this, desktop dash so and so. Right, so if whatsoever reason that here is not working, you can just go to your system, just click on the system, scroll down to your about and then click on the about. Once you click on about, you can still see we still have here desktop dash b something something, right, and then you have here rename this PC. So just click on this and then on the fold just type in the name that you want. So I'm just going to type my YouTube name, Now Tech. Right, so we have I'm Now Tech here, so just click on next. Right, so as it renamed, you can see it says what, after you restart your PC name will be changed to I'm Now Tech. So what will happen is that you have to restart the PC in order for the name to take effect. So that is just how simple and easy it is to change your PC name in Windows 11. If this video was helpful in any way to you, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.